Welcome back to the channel. Everyone, today we're diving into something so insane, so futuristic, and so extravagant that it almost feels like a dream. Imagine if Ferrari, the world's most legendary supercar maker, decided to build a motorhome, a rolling mansion on wheels that not only screams luxury, but also delivers supercar-level performance. Well, the wait is over because Ferrari has unveiled the 2026 Ferrari AstroLu Motorhome, a jaw-dropping, $5 million masterpiece that is redefining what luxury and speed mean in the RV world. This isn't just a motorhome. It's a Ferrari supercar fused with a luxury yacht, a private jet, and a five-star hotel, all on wheels. And in today's video, we're going to break it all down. The design, the hybrid engine, the futuristic interior, the tech, the comfort, and why this machine is already making waves among millionaires across the globe. So buckle up, because this ride is going to blow your mind. Number 1, the concept and price. Ferrari is a brand synonymous with speed, elegance, and Italian craftsmanship. But the AstroLu is something different. It's their boldest experiment yet. With a price tag starting at $5 million, this isn't your average RV that you'll spot in a camping park. This is a motorhome designed for billionaires, celebrities, and royal families who want Ferrari's racing DNA mixed with ultimate road trip comfort. The AstroLu name comes from astronomia and lusso, symbolizing Ferrari's vision of combining cosmic futuristic design with unmatched luxury. It's Ferrari's first ever entry into the motorhome market, but instead of playing it safe, they went all in, creating what is already being called the Bugatti Chiron of RVs. Number 2, exterior design. The first thing that takes your breath away is the aerodynamic design. Unlike boxy motorhomes, the AstroLu looks like a stretched Ferrari LaFerrari. Sleek curves, carbon fiber body panels, and a signature Ferrari grille at the front. Headlights, borrowed from the SF90 Straydale, laser sharp with adaptive LED beams. Bodywork, entirely carbon fiber and aluminum, reducing weight despite the massive size. Wheels, 26-inch custom Ferrari alloys wrapped in Pirelli P0 tires built specifically for this motorhome. Roof, a fully retractable panoramic glass roof that transforms the RV into a mobile observatory. Color options, Ferrari's classic Rosso Corsa Red, Nero Daytona Black, or a limited edition white and gold Lusso finish. This thing isn't just a motorhome. It looks like a spacecraft ready to launch. Park it anywhere, and it becomes the center of attention. Number 3, performance and hybrid powertrain. Now here's where Ferrari sets itself apart from every other RV on the planet. The AstroLu isn't just about looks. It's about speed and performance. Engine, a twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors, producing a combined 1,200 horsepower. Top speed. Yes, you heard that right. This motorhome can reach 155 miles per hour. For an RV weighing over 8 tons, that's pure madness. Acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 5.5 seconds. Faster than most sports cars and worlds beyond any RV you've ever seen. Hybrid efficiency, a 150 kilowatt-hour battery pack, gives the AstroLu an electric-only range of 200 miles, making it eco-friendly for city cruising. Driving modes, race mode, comfort mode, and eco mode for different road conditions. This is the first time an RV has been engineered to feel like a Ferrari supercar behind the wheel. Imagine pulling up at a luxury resort, pressing a button, and hearing that Ferrari V8 roar. It's an experience no other motorhome can offer. Number 4, the interior, a private jet on wheels. Step inside, and it's a completely different world. Ferrari has collaborated with Italian luxury yacht designers to create an interior that feels like a private jet crossed with a 5-star suite. Living space, a massive open lounge with carbon fiber panels, Alcantara leather seating, and hand-stitched Italian upholstery. The lighting is fully customizable with ambient LED strips. Cockpit. The driver's cabin looks like a Ferrari hypercar. Digital cockpit, Formula One-inspired steering wheel, and augmented reality windshield that overlays maps, weather, and road info in real time. Lounge and dining. Seating for 6 with a fold-out marble dining table and an AI-assisted butler system that manages climate, music, and even food suggestions. Kitchen. Compact but ultra-modern with an induction cooktop, wine cooler, espresso machine, and smart stores that locks while driving. Bedroom. A king-size bed with memory foam, panoramic ceiling view, and a retractable privacy divider. Ferrari even included noise cancellation tech for ultimate peace. Bathroom. Italian marble floors, rainfall shower, and heated mirrors. It feels more like a luxury spa than a motorhome bathroom. Entertainment. 8K curved OLED screens, a Bang & Olufsen surround sound system, and satellite internet, ensuring you're connected even in the middle of nowhere. This is not just a motorhome. It's literally a rolling mansion with Ferrari's DNA. Number 5. Smart tech and automation. Ferrari didn't just rely on luxury. They've packed the AstroLu with cutting-edge tech. Autonomous driving. Level 4 self-driving capability, meaning the AstroLu can handle long highway drives on its own. Voice and gesture controls. Everything, from opening doors to adjusting the lights, can be done with simple commands. Solar roof. The entire roof is lined with Ferrari-designed solar panels, generating enough energy to power the interior appliances. AI butler. Called Luca, this AI system learns your preferences, from what music you like during sunrise drives to how cool you want the AC at night. Security. Facial recognition entry, biometric locks, and a drone surveillance system that follows the vehicle for added safety. It's basically a tech palace on wheels, blending convenience, luxury, and futuristic innovation. Number 6. Lifestyle and target market. So who is this motorhome really for? With a $5 million price tag, Ferrari knows this isn't aimed at everyday travelers. The AstroLu is built for billionaires looking for exclusive road trips, celebrities who want privacy and luxury while traveling, royal families who need comfort and security on the go, supercar collectors who simply must have Ferrari's rarest creations. This isn't about practicality. It's about making a statement. Pulling up in Ferrari AstroLu is like saying, I own the road and I travel in unmatched style. Number 7. Competition and uniqueness. Other luxury brands like Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, and Bentley have entered the motorhome space, but Ferrari's AstroLu takes things to another level. Rolls-Royce focuses on elegance. Mercedes-Maybach emphasizes comfort. Bentley offers classic luxury. But Ferrari? Ferrari has fused speed plus racing DNA plus futuristic luxury, creating something no one else dared to attempt. The AstroLu isn't just another motorhome. It's a category disruptor, blurring the lines between supercars and RVs.